of Shapoorji Pallonji what they are actually. So I don't have to explain much. So I go quickly about. So as I told you, it's a 153 years old company. It has presence about 60 countries. We have constructed about 200 plus million square feet in India. There are 69,000 employee base, which nationalities of about 40 nationalities of the people who are employed who work for this company. So these are the group companies. I was talking about 16 group companies. So these are the group companies what we have. So we have the biggest, the pillar of the company is the construction. That's what is Shapoorji Real Estate. We have in oil and gas. We are into the household name of Eureka Foods, where we touch the life of B2C. Then we are into again the business of solar power. That is one of the biggest company across the world for Sterling Wilson. Afcon is the household name who are constructing the biggest of the structure across India, across outside India. Even they are constructing the Bangalore Metro, which is the biggest one of the contract they have got in Bangalore. So we have been ranked number one construction company in 2008 by the magazine, the Construction Week magazine. So that has been one of the further in the crown of the company actually. So SPRE is the quite new in terms of the other companies. So Shapoorji Pallonji Real Estate, that's what we are actually, we're talking about it. So Shapoorji Pallonji Real Estate has a presence in across India. So we're talking about the north. On the Gurgaon, we have a very big project in Gurgaon. We are present in Calcutta. We have done the Asia's largest mass housing. So that's the biggest one. It's called Sukhoi Street. And it's done with the West Bengal government, and this has been the tremendous huge project what we have been done. We have another project in Howrah which is called Joyville. Then in the south, we are talking about right now in the Park West. This is one of the prestigious projects in the Shapoorji Pallonji, where it has been developed in huge land parcel. I'll come in later part of this. You have a huge projects. You have 4 projects in Pune, starting from your affordable housing. We have started a project in Pune, which is on a golf course called Vana. Mumbai is the headquarters. So Mumbai has multiple projects spread across the Mumbai, starting from Powai, Thane. You are in Virar. So we are planning to come up some more new projects in the heart of Mumbai as well. So that's what, as of now in the timeline, we have other projects we plan to come up in other parts, maybe in Chennai as well, in Hyderabad as well. So this is as I told you, this is the other places we're looking at coming up very soon. So as I told, Hyderabad, your Noida is also planned. Mohali is also in our plan to come up very soon. We may not the place called Winnipeg. Even I am staying in Bangalore for last 18 years. I was not knowing in the Winnipeg, still joining this company. So Winnipeg was an undiscovered location, I can tell, in the central Bangalore, because it was earlier a mill. So it has been established in 1800, 1800 the years, and it has been the heart of the mill, where the textile mills and people have been. It's been the industrial hub in the Winnipeg. Later on, as the things grow up, the mills close down. Mills move out from the city center, and it has been the hub of the industry, not industry, talking about the merchant traders, everyone actually. So today it's a change situation about talking about Winnipeg. Yeah. So Winnipeg now has been transformed. The Shapoorji Pallonji owned. If you look at the map on your screen, Shapoorji Pallonji owns 75% of the Winnipeg, and we are here to committed the transformation of the whole Winnipeg. So that's the project. You look at on the screen. I'll come in the next screen, Chirag. So you can have the next screen. You can show what exactly the location highlights and why this location is more favorable than being in the city center. So this is, as I told, centrally located. It has a close proximity to all the micro markets. Like you talk about the wholesale market, the Chamarajpet, Vaswangudi, Rajajinagar, Malleshwaram. This is the just throwaway distance from this particular location. It has under the less than 1.2 kilometer away from the running metro station. It is the Bangalore biggest. The bus terminal is just about 2 kilometers away. You have the Bangalore. The city railway station is just about 1 kilometer away. So it has been actually surrounded by everything, and you are in the middle of the city actually. This is the actual location. Now, people are from Bangalore who will understand that. Others, as I told you, we are in the city center having a vast of 47 acres of land. So this is a metro map, what I was talking about. So we have a connectivity to the airport. We're coming up. We have connectivity to the Whitefield, which is the IT hub, electronic city. We have connectivity to the across the Bangalore, and we are in the city center. If you look at the screen, either the green patch shows to the red mark, that's the Park West. We are the city center in the metro line as well. So whenever people want to buy something, people talk about social infrastructure. So this, as I mentioned, it's a central of Bangalore. So it has been surrounded by best of the educational institution. Name few: Bishop Cotton, you have Mount Carmel, you have St. Joseph. So these are the very old and very famous renewed institutions who are surrounded by the project. Yes, everybody needs the healthcare today's, even after pandemic, it's become very mandatory. So we are surrounded by the best of the hospital like Apollo, you have Columbia Asia, you have the Vikram Hospital. This is they are about 5 to 7 kilometer distance from the project. And yes, you need entertainment, you need shopping places. So we have a mall which is just next door of the property, which is the about just 200 meters away. Other than that, Bangalore best malls, you have Mantri Square, you have UB City, you have Orient Mall. They are through a distance. Another mall is coming up, maybe opening next month, the Lulu Mall, which is just about 2.5 kilometers away from the project. And yes, there's a entertainment and sports. You have the Bangalore Turf Club, which is less than 5 kilometers. MG Road is 6 kilometers. Bangalore Golf Course is just 5 kilometers away. So that's what I mentioned about the central location. That gives you the idea why you talk about the central. You are just surrounded by all the hubs of everything actually in the heart of Bangalore, which nobody can imagine. Any city, not about Bangalore, any other city, nobody can imagine that in heart of Bangalore you have 46 acres. That's what we have, and that's the offering we have right now. So we have totally sold about 1,700 units, and the best thing about it, we have 650 families happily living here more than 2 years in the particular projects. And we have about 1,000 plus apartments which to be delivered in next 3 years. That's the best part. If anybody comes in here, they can experience the living already here. That may not be in other with anyone else. So this is the actual picture. I always believe seeing is believing. So if anybody comes in, I can just we can take them there, show them the actual what we have delivered. So that's the actual picture. If you go to the other pictures, yes, you can see the name called Park West. So that truly means being here, who are living in actually here. So as I mentioned, it has 31 acres of green space across out of 46 acres. It has the huge wide decks that make you the feel of being in the garden, all the apartments. It has already up and running 15,000 square feet clubhouse. I'll show the picture in some other in the coming up presentation. We have followed up the IGBC green certified. So all the home has been designed as per the green certification. So look at, this is the master plan of the project, where you can see on the down 3 towers has been delivered. Another 4 towers under construction. We have launched 2 more towers on the last quarter, and that has been got a huge success. It has been, people are built about 2.5 years now. People are enjoying here. These are the pictures, a few of the amenities, whatever we have right now at the clubhouse. And this is one of the Bangalore biggest clubhouse what we have right now. So you have the guest rooms, you have 4 badminton courts, 12 guest rooms, you have the table tennis, you have the huge, it's a half Olympic size pool. And couple of things we could not, it's not part of the picture. We have open air restaurants, we have closed restaurant, banquet hall, which is hold about 400 plus guests in one time. So we are talking about the Park. So we are talking about this is the 2 tower. Actually, we had a plan to launch one tower, but we got such a huge response. We had to launch another tower for the demand of the customer. And today, as we're talking about it, we have sold about 75% of the inventory of both the towers. Yes, so this is the another clubhouse which gonna come up in future between both the towers. This has added an extra thing. You have a lap pool, you have a exclusive ladies pool, which was a demand, and I think nobody offer in Bangalore today's market scenario. We have offered a exclusive ladies pool. We have work from home option. You have your walking desk. You have your movie theater. You have your grocery store. Everything is put in the new clubhouse. So these are a few pictures. How does it going to look like the new towers along with the clubhouse? This is a few picture of your the apartment inside the kids' room. This is the open air cafe. The first time in Bangalore, we are offering a first year open air cafe with a tree house, multiple things. This is one of the views of the apartment. You can see the view. Has full top to down glass, and it has a like extravagant lights, air, everything in your apartment. You may not require a sleep over days, you may require a fan in staying in this particular apartment. This is the great views. You are staying on the like a sky on the villa on the sky kind of a thing.